Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Terraria, and today I'm going to show you how to get floating islands fast for beginners. You might know already, I've already uploaded this but a year ago and it got 600 views, which is a lot, so I decided to re-upload it in a more quality version because I literally had my microphone in my mouth at the time. So what you want to do is go single player. Wait a second, there you go. Go new, go hardcore, give him a name, or her a name, like, subscribe for a cookie, subscribe for a cook, create, and then you find that. Find the thing, please. Subscribe for a cook. Yes. Then go in whichever world you want. I'm gonna do a creator of garlic bread because I already have that world. And as you can see, it's a very nice world here. You have here, hi Mr. Guy. Let's just ignore that this ever happened in this world. Like, nothing happened in this world, it's just a common world. What you want to do is find a way to die. Oh, hello. Two little vultures could do the trick. Now let them kill you. Okay, now that you are dead, and the vultures are flying backwards away, we can wait. 2, 1, there you go. Okay, then go straight up and zoom all the way out, just in case you need to see further. Just wait. Okay, once you start hearing this different music, the little space music, you're gonna go right or left. In my opinion, I like going right because left is better, but I still go right. Okay, then you wait and keep going right. Don't forget to go right. As you can see here, I'm going right. Don't forget to go right, but then you can just hold it down and sleep.
Okay, try not to sleep, but let me just wait. This is taking a while. Pretty long time. I have on 2 times speed because, just so it's not as annoying to watch. But yes, I do have on 2 times speed. I'm still waiting. Why do I have right rather than left? I don't know. The sun, it's half of the day. Half of the daylight part of what? Okay. Just gonna keep going. Also, by the way, I think this is a large world, which is harder to get in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a large world, but it doesn't really matter. With small worlds, you can just see it if you jump, you can see it floating around, but with a large world, it's really hard. So, just keep going. Keep going. Hopefully you find one. I'm not having very good luck here, am I?
Oh, please? Okay, so you found your floating island probably, and by the time you've done that, you want to find the nearest side to the middle, where it is, and go right here, and then go straight down. And keep going down until you land to the bottom. As you can see here, I am in the jungle. This will be very hard to get through. So memorize a spot or take a screenshot if your memory isn't the best like mine. But I think I might be able to memorize this. And then what you want to do is you want to save and quit. And then you want to go on whatever character you want that for, which I am quite lazy, so I'm not going to create a new character. I'm going to use my main account, and I'm going to go back on this world that I just found in. Okay. And then you just go. Then you just go. So, use Word of Discord. Don't die. You don't have a Word of Discord probably at this point. You might. It depends. If you follow, well, if you came here because it said for beginners, then you probably won't have a Word of Discord, unless you're the luckiest person in the world. Okay, let me go over here. Okay, it's like here. I think it was here. So then you memorize this, right? Because I'm lazy, I don't have blocks. But I do have blocks actually. So what you're gonna want to do is build up with any blocks you have. If there's trees, you can just get platforms. I can't even get on this. Because I'm lazy, I'm not gonna build up. I'm just gonna fly up. which you probably won't have either. And then you have a floating island. Hooray! Yay! And then you can go inside and get the loot, which right now is actually quite good. You get some fledgling wings, and then rather than having to build up on your next floating island, you can fly up there like a boss. Oh no, you can't fly all the way up unless it's a small world, because them fledgling wings aren't the best wings. But if it's hard and it's like in corruption, either what you can do. Wait, why is there a water chest? What you can do if it's in like corruption or crimson is either you can look for another floating island, or you can get a bit better gear, or you can build a giant wall to protect you with another giant wall you're going to build to get up. Kind of confusing. But yeah, wait. There's a trident in there. Is that good? I'm not sure. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. And don't forget to, oh no, this is glitching. What am I doing? Don't forget to subscribe and like and put notifications on and share to help your friends if they play Terraria. Just help them, okay? Help them. Don't be mean. Just help them by sharing this video, if it helped you. And then I'll see you in the next video if you come back. Please come back. Please, I really appreciate it. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video where hopefully I don't get stuck in a cloud. Goodbye.